we will see how we can achieve the dark mode functionality in our web page. So we will check that with code. So at the end of this video you will see how we can achieve the toggling theme functionality. So here we will click on this button, then all the background color and the text color will change. So again, if we switch to the next theme, so it will go to the default state. So let's see how to do that. Here I have created one HTML template in which we have this theme.css style sheet linked, and then in the body section we have the heading as theme demonstration, and we have button to toggle the theme. So let's see in our theme.scss what we have written. So first of all, we have created this variable primary colors and secondary colors, which is nothing but black and white as of now. And for the body part, we have assigned those color variables. So here you can see background color variable as primary color and color as a secondary color. So as of now, we will see on the screen something like this with primary color as black, background color, and the text color as white. So now to toggle this theme, we have to write one class. So here we have written one class as .dark mode, and here we are just toggling the values. So now our primary color will become black, the primary color will become white, and then the secondary color will become black. So in that way, if we now add this class, so our background color will become white, and then the text color will become black. So now to do that, we need to write one code on click of this toggle button. So how we are going to do that? We can simply just create one variable as btn, and in that we can access this toggle button with its ID. So here I will write something like document.getElement by ID, and then here I need to pass this value. So in this case, this would be toggle button, and on this button we have to write one script. So for that I will just say btn.on click. So here we will write function. So now what we have to do, so whenever we click on this toggle button, we need to add class to this body as dark mode. So how we can do that? Document.body.classList, and here instead of add we have to mention as toggle method. So what toggle method will do? When we click first time, it will add particular class, and if we click on next time, so it will remove that particular class. Here in this case, that class would be dark mode. Okay, now let's see it on our browser whether it is working fine or not. So here I'm clicking on this toggle theme button. So now the background has changed and the text became black. If I click again, then the background has become black and the text become white. So whatever things you need to do, you need to do it in this color variable. So now if I give the red color as background for the default condition, and here I am giving yellow, so now the our default theme is red and yellow. So now if I click on the toggle theme, so it will become white and black. So in this way you can give theme to your web page. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. Thank you.